How to scan a document or photos using the Epson L3110 printer. Okay, first we are going to download the scanner driver. Go to their website epson.com.ph. Inside the website, go to the download. So under the download, there is the other drivers. Let's minimize this, and the drivers. Now we have the printer drivers and the scanner driver. Select the download. Click accept to proceed and wait the download to be finished. Okay, finished already. Let us now install the scanner driver. Okay, double click and click the run. Check and next. Click finish. Okay, let us now open the Epson Scan 2 application. The application now is ready. Okay, scanner driver already installed. Let us turn on the power. And then already inserted the USB cable. Okay, printer is ready. Click refresh and then select the printer and then click OK. The application is open and ready for scanning. Let us now place the document on the flattened glass. Here is the document facing down. Place it facing down and then close the cover. And then if you want to check the settings, here the main settings and the advanced settings, the resolution, the image type. Then if you want to preview, click just this one and then scan. Printer is already scanning. It is now performing the scan function. Then we will wait until finished scanning. Okay, so here is the file name and then the folder in my documents. Here it is. It was saved to PDF. So if you can choose to save it to PDF or JPEG. Let's try to open this one. Okay, there you have it. Our scan document already opened in PDF format. If you prefer on a JPEG format, you can change the settings here. Image format is PDF. You can change it to bitmap, JPEG, PNG, TIFF, multi-TIFF. Let's try this with JPEG and scan. Printer is performing. Scan function again. Okay, done. We will open now the save file, which is the JPEG. Yeah, this is one. Open. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's it for this episode. If you like this video, just press the like button and subscribe for more updates. See you on my next video, only here at Pinoy Techs channel. Bye bye.